We talk a lot at Mudlick Mail about overcoming objections before they even happen. How do we do that? Well, it's all in the art of how you handle that customer when they walk in your store with the coupon at the front counter. We build rapport from the minute they walk in. And one of the things that we can do that we teach our customers is when that postcard comes in and people are asking for that oil change, we want to make sure we tell every single customer, man, that is a great coupon. Not only do you get a good price on an oil change, but we also are going to do a free safety and maintenance related inspection, or maybe it's a 55-point inspection or a 22, whatever your inspection process is. But let them know, hey, we're going to do these things, and then if there's any questions or any problems that we have or anything we want to point out to you, we'll come let you know. And so that starts to build a rapport. That customer at that point is either going to say, okay, and so now you've opened the door to come back, and so you've kind of overcome that first objection, or they're going to blow up right there. I mean, I don't know how many of us have been behind the counter before when we've made that kind of comment and they said, man, all I want's an oil change, nothing else. Well, that's okay. I want to know that information though before I do my PMI, because it alters how my sales pitch is going to be. If I know a customer's been burnt before and they said, no, I don't want a PMI done, it's simply, you know, Mr. Customer, I completely understand. You know what, I'm going to go through the process though and I'll write down anything that I think you need to know about. And then that way, the next time you come back, if you want to address some of these items, you can. I always use the term, hey, if it's dripping or dragging, I'm going to talk to you about it. But other than that, I'll just write it on down. And you'll be surprised when you start writing that information down and telling that customer, hey, thanks for bringing your car. We got that oil change completed. There's a few items here that you might want to address down the road. This might be a safety item here or there. You won't believe how many times they'll say, well, you know, how much is that brake flush? Yeah, it's only $89. Yeah, go ahead and get that done. You know, so there's multiple ways to handle customers, but the best way to make sure your sales approach is correct is to ask that customer, tell that customer right when they come in that you're going to do those inspections. That way, you know the best way to approach that customer when the time is right.
If you have any questions about this Mudlick moment or any ideas for future Mudlick moments, feel free to drop us a line at mudlickmail@gmail.com.